Piece of crap. Sorry, you guys. I'm in a bit of a child labor jam here. Ah, crap. What the crap? Oh, snap. Is this because I nearly sucked my pants in there? Crap.
You hungry, Travis? Huh?
Yeah, I'll be right down.
Yes, salad.
Heck? What the heck? Wasn't the battery not charged enough? Crap. Oh, sweet. Oh, crap apples. Dang it. Gotta report this to Mom. I was gonna ask you where's my
You're supposed to say what?
The vacuum cleaner.
What about it?
No idea. I mean, it was working pretty well. It's going like this. What the heck? I thought it stopped working.
Oh.
Trickster?
Looks like it's working to me.
Yeah. What? Yes, of course I'm done.
Okay.
All the stairs are clean.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
I've been meaning to do that for
Now
months, then I never think about it until.
Now I'm gonna get footprints all over it.
So it's probably gonna be your job once a week to clean them stairs for me.
Oh, crap apples. I mean, exact apples.
Say thank you. Sure, Mother. I'll be glad to do that for you.
I don't want to be lame. I mean, I don't want to sound lame.
You don't want to be lame.
Or sound lame. I mean, sound lame.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Alright guys, so that was just me vacuuming the floor, vacuuming the stairs. So I also had the first part of me vacuuming. But it suddenly stopped recording.
I mean, that's what we can do.
What are they talking about down there? My hand is shaking. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna end it. I'll get the first part uploaded and this part too. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Google+, do something. This is child labor, everyone. I'll see you soon.